Clinical trials are the backbone of medical innovation, yet nearly 85% fail to meet enrollment timelines. This statistic can delay life-saving treatments for years. How can artificial intelligence change this? The landscape of clinical trials remains static, requiring extensive resources and time. A single trial can take over a decade and cost millions. The need for innovation is clear. Patients often wait years for treatments, while companies face financial burdens. AI promises to revolutionize clinical trials. AI is a game-changer in trial design and execution. It optimizes patient recruitment and trial designs in real time. For instance, predictive analytics can analyze vast datasets to identify suitable candidates, cutting recruitment time significantly. Imagine therapies developed faster, bringing hope to patients waiting for cures. AI also allows for better tailored trial designs, creating targeted and effective studies. Virtual simulations can predict outcomes and allow for adjustments before trials begin. This means faster access to life-saving treatments, ultimately changing healthcare. However, AI's power raises ethical concerns. Reliance on data can introduce biases, disadvantaging certain populations. Questions of data privacy arise as sensitive information becomes integral to AI algorithms. Ensuring AI serves all populations equitably and responsibly is crucial. AI is transforming patient recruitment with precision. Traditional methods are slow, relying on broad criteria. AI can match patients with specific trials based on health profiles, dramatically reducing enrollment times. This efficiency accelerates drug development, allowing researchers to gather critical data faster. In a recent oncology trial, AI streamlined recruitment, identifying candidates in days instead of weeks. This not only sped up the process, but also improved candidate quality by considering unique genetic markers. The trial completed ahead of schedule, providing critical insights into the drug's efficacy sooner than expected. AI extends beyond recruitment. Virtual simulations allow researchers to model patient responses to therapies, enabling nuanced trial designs. For example, in 2022, a company developing a heart disease treatment utilized AI simulations to test various scenarios. They anticipated challenges in real time, which led to better outcomes. The researchers were amazed at how artificial intelligence predicted patient reactions based on historical data. This predictive capacity leads to better designed trials, yielding clearer results for faster regulatory approvals. Pharmaceutical companies recognize AI's potential. Over 60% plan to integrate AI into their operations within 5 years, highlighting data-driven decision-making's importance. The shift can be traced back to 2018 when several key players began pilot programs, demonstrating AI's promise in small-scale trials. Companies like Pfizer and Novartis initiated AI-driven projects, leveraging machine learning to analyze patient outcomes. For instance, Pfizer's early adoption of AI in their vaccine trials showcased a drastic reduction in data analysis time. However, integrating AI requires robust infrastructure and quality data. Poor data can misguide algorithms, impacting patient safety and trial integrity. Ethical considerations are paramount. AI raises questions about patient consent, data security, and data ownership. Patients must know how their data is used, and their privacy must be protected. Regulatory bodies need frameworks to ensure ethical standards while fostering innovation. In 2020, the FDA released guidelines aimed at establishing ethical use protocols for AI in healthcare, but the implementation has been slow, leading to concerns among patient advocacy groups. The debate over patient consent is particularly poignant. Individuals often feel compelled to contribute to research but are wary of how their information might be utilized and shared. The horizon looks promising. As technology matures, we can expect smarter algorithms that learn from new data, refining recommendations and predictions. This evolution could lead to breakthroughs in therapeutic areas once thought insurmountable. Picture a world where rare diseases receive prompt attention, simply because AI has accelerated the discovery process. AI is a catalyst for change in clinical trials, from accelerating recruitment to enhancing trial design. The healthcare landscape is on the brink of transformation, where innovation meets ethical responsibility. The journey ahead is complex, but the potential for improved health outcomes is inspiring. AI's integration into clinical trials reflects a broader evolution that could ripple across industries. Companies adapting swiftly may bring life-saving medications to market faster, prompting a re-evaluation of regulatory frameworks. Healthcare providers will need to embrace data-driven decision-making, becoming facilitators of patient care. Job impacts will also be significant. While some roles may diminish due to automation, new opportunities in data analysis and AI ethics will emerge. For example, positions focused on overseeing AI algorithm integrity and ensuring ethical compliance will become crucial. Collaboration between technology, medicine, and ethics could lead to breakthroughs across the healthcare ecosystem. However, with opportunity comes responsibility. The ethical landscape surrounding AI requires careful navigation. Questions about data privacy and algorithmic bias must be addressed. Transparency in AI algorithm development is critical for building trust. Challenges persist in AI integration. Limitations in current technologies warrant attention. AI can misinterpret signals, affecting patient safety, underscoring the need for human oversight. In 2021, a trial involving AI misclassification of patient data led to significant delays in treatment, highlighting the importance of having experienced professionals review AI-generated insights. Continuous learning algorithms must be trained on diverse data to generalize effectively. For instance, the use of algorithms trained primarily on data from one demographic could result in poor outcomes for others, emphasizing the need for diverse data sets in training. The next 5 years will be vital for AI and clinical trials. Will we see a paradigm shift in how trials are designed and executed? As AI matures, real-time data analysis could revolutionize patient engagement and recruitment efficiency. A vision emerges where patients are matched with trials through an app on their phones, receiving notifications about potential treatments that align with their medical history. Imagine the empowerment of patients actively participating in their healthcare decisions. This could lead to a more informed patient population, one that actively engages in dialogue with healthcare providers about their treatment options. The balance between innovation and responsibility will define AI's trajectory in clinical trials. With thoughtful action, we can harness AI's potential to transform trials and enhance healthcare quality for generations to come.